Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to create iPhone stickers in the Photos app. Click the subscribe button down below and like this video if it's helpful for you. Let's jump in. Select the photo you would like to make a sticker of. Touch and hold the subject that you'd like to create a sticker of and then release. You will get the option Add Sticker. This will now be added to my stickers menu, which is available anywhere you access your iPhone on-screen keyboard or markup tools. You can also add effect if you want to apply a visual effect. I can make it more of a comic or shiny. When you're done, you can select done. You can turn a live photo into an animated sticker. Follow the same process. This is a live photo. And if you add effect, it will get rid of the live photo. You can add stickers to photos. At the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and select my 3 lines with the dots. This is my editing feature. And I'm going to add a sticker here by selecting the markup tool in the top right corner, selecting OK, select the plus sign at the bottom, select add sticker. And I'm going to add this Christmas tree here, celebrating the holidays with this sunset. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to Being Classy on YouTube and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.